Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change screen recording sound settings on your VIVO X300 Pro. So if you want to record your screen with your microphone on or with your system audio on or off, I'll show you how to set it up on your VIVO. So start up with opening quick settings menu just by swiping down right here, and then swipe to the right, and you can see I have a screen recorder right here. And if you don't have it here, check the next slide, and if you don't have it there either, just click this pencil right here and choose screen recording from this list. So as I already have it, I click and hold it, and as you can see here, I have these two options: record system audio, I can turn it off, and record microphone audio. So basically system audio is an audio from your apps and your phone overall, and the microphone audio is basically the microphone you can record your voice with it. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.